Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Klee dancing filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image, this one. This is the filter. Just tap on it. Okay. So this is the effect. Place the dancing Klee wherever you want. Okay, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, just go to your feed page and here search for Klee filter. On the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use this effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from search, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this Klee filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.